Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. It provides virtual compute cloud with elastic capacity, and it has a unit of 1.7 gigahertz x86 and 1.7 GB RAM, 160 GB disk, 250 MB per second network. Network security model is also implemented, and all these services are available at the rate of $0.10 per server hour and 0.10 to 0.18 per GB data transfer cost. It provides time or traffic-based scaling, load testing, simulation and analysis, rendering software as a service platform, and hosting services. What is Amazon EC2 concept? Amazon offers a user a choice of VM template that can be instantiated in shared or virtual environment called AMI. Customer can use pre-packaged AMI or can build their own. AMI vary in resources, RAM, compute units, local disk, and operating system. Amazon Machine Image is bootable root disk where predefined or user-built catalog of user-built AMIs available. OS operating system is Fedora, CentOS, Gentoo, Debian, Ubuntu, Windows, and servers. And application stack is LAMP, MPI, Blast, Hadoop. And instances is a running copy of an AMI. It can launch in less than 2 minutes, and it can start and stop programmatically. Network security model is implemented. It has explicit access control, security groups, and inter-service bandwidth is free. There are three flavors of Amazon machine images: public AMIs, private AMIs, and paid AMIs. In public AMIs, use pre-configured template AMIs to get up and running immediately. Choose from Fedora, movable type, Ubuntu configurations, and more. But in private AMIs, you can create an Amazon machine image containing your application, libraries, data, and associated configuration settings. But in paid AMIs, you can set a price for your AMI and let others purchase and use it. Single payment and or per hour. It is resizable compute capacity in the cloud. Obtain and boot new server instances in minutes. Quickly scalable capacity up or down as your computing requirements change. Full root access to a blank Linux machine, simply web service management interface, and change the economics of computing because of all these services are available on very affordable price. Amazon EC2 SOAP Query API. For images, register image, describe images, deregister images for instances, key pairs, security groups, and image attributes. Query API is available. Three Amazon EC2 choices are available. Like you can have a 32-bit architecture, or even you have 64-bit or extra large 64-bit. RAM is 1.7 to 7.5 GB to up to 15 GB. And disk space is 160 GB to large 850 GB, and extra large is 16940 GB. EC2 compute units. On small package, it has one EC2 unit. On large, it has 4 EC2 compute units. And on extra large, it has 8 EC2 compute units. I/O performance on small is medium, but on large and extra large is high. Firewall is available on all these EC2 choices. This is the graph of Amazon growth from 2007 to 2007 till the month of September. Amazon Simple Storage Service. It provides object-based storage where the size of object could be 1 bit to 5 GB. It is fast, reliable, and scalable. Redundant, dispersed, 99% availability goal with private or public cloud models. It has per object URLs and ACLs. It also provides BitTorrent support. It costs 0.15 per GB per month storage and zero point zero 0.01 for 1000 to 10,000 requests. And data transfer rate is zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.18 per GB. Next is Amazon Simple Storage Service. S3 is an opaque storage service. It is highly scalable data storage in the cloud. It provides programmatic access via web services, API, REST, and so. It is simple to get going and provide 1B 5 terabyte and leverage AWS authentication services. Highly available and durable. Offers distributed redundant buckets replicated using CloudFront content delivery networks across continents. And it has a model of payment pay as you go. The storage cost is 0.15 per GB per month and data transfer starts at 0.18 per GB. Request is nominal charges. IaaS Simple Storage Service, Amazon S3 namespace. It provides this model. Number of objects can be put in one bucket and bucket is connected with Amazon S3. Amazon S3 namespace. Amazon Simple Storage Services. In August, there were 800 million objects stored. In April 7, there were 5 billion. In October 7, there were 10 billion objects. And on January 2008, there were 14 billion objects stored. Amazon Simple Storage Service is supported by open source backup, and backup can be handled with Zamanda open source and backup service, which is provided by zmanda.com backup Amazon S3. Then we have Amazon Elastic Block Storage, EBS. EBS is a high performance virtual hard disk. It can be formatted as file system and then mounted on EC2 instance that is attached to an instance in the same availability zone. Its size can range from 1 GB to 1 terabyte. Its storage cost is 0.10 per GB per month plus 0.10 million per million I/O operations. Snapshot backup point in time, a volume to S3, not a bucket. Create new volume from snapshot. It supports incremental backup and you can restore to new volume instantious lazy restore. Amazon Elastic Block Storage. It provides incremental snapshot, table of contents versus data blocks. Its space used is difficult to gauge. It provides frequent snapshot and minimal cost, freeze data while snapshotting. XFS file system supports a freeze command. Volume is fragile in transit. Unmounting can leave data in flight, plus mounting mistake is destructive. You can use snapshot for safety. It can perform snapshot after unmount plus create a fresh volume from a snapshot. Next is running MySQL with EBS. It provides snapshot master. You can create slave volume and you can attach slave volume. It can start replicating. MySQL failover. It promotes slave to master fail over application servers, launch new slave init from a snapshot, and start application always roll forward. This is multi-zone deployment where Amazon Elastic Block Storage can be deployed in number of zones, and they are already all connected with Amazon S3 and provides a central management and monitoring and observation point.